Would you like this free printable favor bag for Halloween? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I am the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns, and today I have another freebie for you. And an old acquaintance of mine, Mr. Skull, came visiting me.
I'm back!
Mr. Skull, where have you been?
I've been in hibernation and the call of Halloween woke me up.
So what do you think about the freebie I have for our viewers today?
Wow, I could put the rest of my bones in there.
To download this freebie, just click on the link in the description. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet and you like paper crafting like I do and like Mr. Skull does, please subscribe to our channel.
Alright, let's start already.
So when you download the sheet, this is what you will get. And I printed this on 160 grams of paper. That is 59 lb cover. And this is the front of the bag. It says potion ingredients, premium quality. And this spot is empty because this flap that says magic will come over here. And it has a really nice leathery background. Now, how to make this? First, we're going to cut out everything. And for the large parts, I'm going to use my paper trimmer. And for the smaller parts, I'm going to use my scissors. Make sure you cut these all the way through until you reach the colored part, see? The next step is to fold the lines, and we're going to fold this line, this, and this line. Also these dotted lines. And I'm going to fold this one too, yes. There's no line, but this needs to be folded anyway. You can use an embossing pen, or you can also use a pen that doesn't write anymore. Make sure there's no ink in there left. But I'm going to use my scoring board. So first I'm going to score this big line right here. So when everything is folded, I'm going to go over every fold with my bone folder, or you can use your nail or something else that is hard. And these two dotted lines, just squeeze them like this. Here two. And now the only thing we have to do is glue the baggie together. You can use glue stick, you can use double-sided tape too if you like. And first I'm going to put some glue on this side flap. Like this. And normally when you've cut right and you fold it flat, it should match perfectly. For the bottom, small flaps in. Bit of glue on these. One large flap on top, like this. Keep it straight. And then some more glue on here. And shut it. First, fill your baggie, squeeze these parts and fold this flap over to close. And you can close it with a dab of glue or a sticker or double-sided tape, it doesn't matter. Look at this. I love to see these lined up on a tray. On the sheet there's a link, it's normally clickable, and if you click on that you can subscribe to our mailing list and get even more items for free. If you like this freebie, please show it with a thumbs up. And if you have some friends that would like this too, please share our video. And I truly wish you a wonderful day. Bye.